In order to work with JUnit, we will be using a lot of annotations. So let's try to understand what exactly are annotations. So annotations are used to provide supplement information about a program. And every annotation in Java starts with at the rate. Annotations do not change action of a compiled program. In fact, annotations helps to associate metadata information to a program element. So annotation can be applied on a variable, on constructor, method, or a class level. So what annotation does is just helps us providing some extra information to our program element on different levels. So let's go ahead and try to see an example of an annotation. So this is a base class in Java, which is named as base. It has a function called display, which does not take any parameter and it is just printing base display. There is a child class called derived. It extends the base class. And now what it does is it tries to override the functionality of the base class, which is this one, this method, and says derived display. Then when we try to create an object of this and try to call the display method of this class, we will get an error because now what we said in the program is with this annotation at the rate override, we mentioned that the child class derived is now bound to override the functionality of the parent class display function. And the parent class display function looks like public void display without an argument. But what we did here is we said public void display with argument. So this is not correct. Here the annotation at rate override is going to enforce that we adhere to the rules of the display function described in the base class. So again, annotation helps to associate metadata information to the program element and it does not change the behavior of the compiled code. So what here the annotation override did is on this method it just made sure that this method is going to strictly stick to the method signature of the base class for overriding purpose. That's the metadata information got added on top of this method. Similarly, annotations can be applied on the class level, on the variable level, or like here in the method level, or even on the constructor level. So in the unit testing, we are going to use many annotations, and overall in Java, we will be using a lot of them. Hence, it's important to understand what exactly an annotation is and what can it do. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.